Before you start using any application, it's probably a good idea to get familiar with the elements that make up the workspace or work area. At the very top of Photoshop, we have what is called the application bar. And the application bar consists of menu items, elements for changing the work area, and the workspace splitter that contains various workspaces, preset workspaces, as well as workspaces that we'll create and customize, and we'll go over that in a later video. Underneath the application bar, we have the control bar, and the control bar is a context-sensitive control bar, which will change depending on what type of tool that we have selected from the Tools panel. And the Tools panel is located on the left-hand side of the work area by default. So you'll notice if I go through here and click on the lasso tool, just as an example, that our control bar menu items change up here at the top. And the Tools panel contains various tools for editing and manipulating our images. And these are broken down by different functions. So we have tools for selecting, we have tools for editing, we have tools for 3D, just various types of tools. We're going to go over those in a later movie. And on the right-hand side of the page, we have our panels. In Photoshop, panels can consist of color, swatches, styles, adjustments, most importantly, layers. We can also have customized plugins, Adobe Bridge, watermarking that I'm going to go over as well. At the center of the stage, we have the document window. Now, new in CS5, the document window is a tab-based window. What I mean by that is, let's say if I create a new document and press N, and I'll just leave this as untitled, we'll see that it creates a new tab. And here I can switch back and forth between the tabs if I close this tab out. And then here I can undock this window and go back to the old-fashioned way where I can stack windows on top of each other. It really takes a week or so to get used to that new tab view, but I'll tell you what, I love it so much, I just won't go back to the old way of working within that document window. It's pretty exciting, pretty efficient, I would say, having that tab view. So that is essentially the elements that make up the work area. In our next lesson, we're going to dive into it just a little bit deeper.